Yeah. Oh, he's on the couch. I'm out of here. So, guys, what do you want to... what the heck? Gee, what the heck are these? I have no idea, Cody. But they're calling a cough drops. What the cough drops mean? I am doing kind of sick of this. Boy, so I'm... well, I'm kind of getting sick, so... Let me take one. You made me too. I got it. Here's yours. What's it? Lemon, I think. Ooh, lemon. It's a big tip. A big tip. A very big tip. This really just takes up a notch. I need this in B. Cody, you eat that? That means you're B. I mean, it's really just a cough medicine, so you stop coughing, but if you say that, Junior, I guess. Junior, what are you doing? Shut your mouth, Cody. Okay. Oh, so I don't want you to do because that's a little weird. No, it's not. Oh, Jeffy, what's going on? Yeah. I'm a little sick though, guys, so I need to stop. Wow, this is not the U. What do you mean the W? What a simple wins to this, Cody. W and L. That stands for you, Cody. U and L. Okay. Well, you don't know now, Junior. Okay, still a loser. So what? We sound cool and that. No, you're really not, Cody. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I guess that is enough of that business. The color looks so mint though. Yeah, that's true. Jeffy, you're sick. I don't want you. I don't want you here. I'm playing streets, Cody. So, do you want to take the wall? Yeah. Say yum. Yummers. Give me in. Me too. Yum 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 yum. One day wait to. Man, that was a good idea, right, Cody? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. This was just definitely a problem. Well, this is all you thought, Jeffy. You know, who saves that? Oh, so what, you were just fine? Yeah. That did happen though, but that would have been happening for a long time ago. Oh my god. Can you get autos in your mouth though, Jeffy? Oh, say effing West. Yum 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 yum. Hey, come on, guys, this is freaking good. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. One day later. So, don't you see why that was a bad idea, Jeffy? Eat all those cough drops. Yeah, that's gonna cause you to get cough sick. Cody, that was a terrible joke. Oh, shut up, Junior. Yeah, maybe you guys are white. What do you mean, always white? Always white on time. Staying on time is the business. Staying on time is the business now. You, what are you talking about? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Like, what do you mean by that? After I just got to the woman, towards me, you blocked me. You was so cocky. What is it? No, it's back to walkie. So guys, I'm gonna give it to cheese sandwich. I'll be right back. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. I got cheese it. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else. I do need some popcorn. I'm moving that soon. Yeah. This is Puffy and Ellie. Get it? So, anyways, I'll just walk. Go away, Cody. You will have to do the cheese that mix. Sorry.